Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. If you have this great Veikk A50 pen tablet, and you wanna and you have noticed that you can't click on something, so as you can see, I can't click on something. I'm clicking, but it's not clicking in the PC. So now I'll show you how to change it, how to resolve this problem. So, I have forgot, I can't click, so I need to use a mouse. So of course you need to have the mouse to resolve this problem. So using the mouse, open the Veikk tablet settings. Then here in the mapping you will see the click disabled. So disable, click disable in future. And it's great. Now, as you can see, I can click on something and it works. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.